I'm Nicole Laskowski, Senior News Director at TechTarget, and I'm speaking with Adam Armstrong, who is reporting live from Dell Technologies World. For more information on this topic, click the link above or in the description below. Adam, one of the things you've written about has been on the storage array and software-defined storage updates. Can you tell us what Dell talked about at the show?
Dell has released about 500 new features for their arrays, particularly PowerStore, PowerMax, and PowerFlex, their software-defined storage. The main focus is on security, but they've also introduced NVMe over TCP to all of them, which is the most cost-effective way to leverage NVMe over fabrics, because you can use an existing Ethernet connection. You don't have to have any new hardware for it. They've also made a smaller hardware announcement, some NVMe shelves along at which can increase performance up to 50%, they claim, and capacity as well, because they now leverage larger capacity SSDs.
The piece that you've written talks about this initiative called Project Alpine. Can you define a little bit what Project Alpine is?
Yeah, Project Alpine takes the data services that are on Dell boxes and lets you use them anywhere. The data service is the expensive part of PowerStore. That is what you're paying for. You're not necessarily paying for the hardware. You're paying for these features, these services that are really good, that the customers really like, talking to customers here on the floor. And now you can take those and put them anywhere. You can put them on AWS, for example. So Project Alpine is basically a beta of that. You would have not only be able to move it, you have a consistent experience from on-prem to cloud.
What do you think Project Alpine may mean to Dell long-term?
This is a good way for Dell to compete with hyperscalers that offer different features, because you come to Dell because you need the performance of on-prem, or you want these specific features that you can't get in AWS. But with Project Alpine, you'll be able to do this. And while not exactly called out or pointed to by anybody here, anybody from Dell, the new features that they're offering in data services, there's 500 of them. And if long-term Project Alpine is going to be the way Dell uses these services, all these features will eventually be available in Alpine and be able to be portable.